What's up YouTube, it's Aaron with Siegfried's Motorwerx. Here today we're bringing you another unboxing video and another first impression video. On the block today we have a brand new helmet that we just got in stock. This is the line we're going to begin to carrying, and it is a Gmax. The style is the Gmax flip jaw helmet. This one is the snow quadrant color scheme. The boxing, very nice, typical for any helmet. Honestly, I mean, that's the standard thing. Gmax is a cheaper helmet, I will tell you that right now. These are more of a budget-friendly helmet. You're still getting DOT approved, and you're still getting a nice quality helmet in the long run. All their helmets come with these nice bags there. These are great to store your helmet in when you're not wearing it, especially too if you're going to be traveling with it. Keeps your lids from getting scratched, keeps your shelf from getting all scratched up. Initially, when you pull this out of the box, it will have all the, basically your brochure on your front end. It tells you how to remove the screen, do all of that stuff there. It is a matte style helmet, and it is DOT, yeah, it is a DOT approved helmet. No Snell rating on this, which if you're riding in the United States, that's not really that big of a deal. This is a modular style helmet, so underneath here, you're gonna have this button that you'll push, and by pushing that, it'll actually lift up the front of the helmet, making this great for older riders that have to wear glasses. It makes it significantly easier to install your glasses while you're riding. It also makes it nice for when you're getting gas, when you're at red lights, being able to communicate with people you're riding with, or actually be able to get a breather quick, especially too if you're going to be drinking while you're riding, not alcohol, drinking water, drinking Gatorade, soda, coffee, whatever, just no alcoholic beverages. In the helmet, Gmax does have their, they call it their Cool Max interiors. What this is supposed to do is supposed to be moisture wicking, keep you from getting sweaty and clammy and everything else that typically goes with wearing a full face style helmet. It is just a typical double D hook securement system, and they also include in here their information owner's manual guide. Not a lot to know when buying a helmet. One thing, if you are buying a modular helmet, anyone who comes into me and buys a helmet, I make sure they know, but if you're buying online to try and save some money, you won't know this. This helmet must be locked in. Very typically, when I have customers trying these on, they will leave that helmet here, and you can see that crack. In the event of a collision, if you don't have this thing secured, that crack is going to blow up, leaving your face exposed. These helmets must be locked in. You'll hear that secure click. At that point, this helmet is locked in. This chin bar is actually going to do what it's designed to do in the event of a collision. As far as venting goes on the Gmax helmets, they do have these two upper vents here, as well as these two exhaust ports in the back. They also do have a chin, which I don't want to... They do also have a chin thing that is non-adjustable. So non-adjustable chin vents, adjustable top vents, two small exhaust ports in the rear. As far as Gmax, they call these the better fitting helmet. I would put a Gmax just slightly below an HJC helmet as far as that. It's still a great helmet, especially if you're on a budget and you're not trying to spend $400, $500, $600, $700, $800, $1,000 on a helmet. These can be purchased for right around $150. We actually have them on sale right now. If you're looking to buy this specific helmet, I can get them out the door for right in the $85 range. So at any rate, thank you so much for watching. If you can, please like the channel, leave a comment. Let us know what you think of this Gmax Snow Quadrant modular helmet. And as always, subscribe to the channel, and you can stay up to date with everything going on at Siegfried's Motorwerx.